Hi, today I've heard of my Galaxy A04S and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. First, let's open the settings application and then scroll down and tap to the sounds and vibration. Here we can see sound, vibration and mood mode, so just to activate them you should select one from these available modes. In sound mode we can use the vibration while ringing. In mood mode we also can activate the temporary mood, so and mute it for 1, 2, 3 hours or just the custom one. So if you want to change the ringtone and notification sounds, you should just do it here. Just open this section and select one from these available sounds. In system sound section we can change the volume of system sounds, the touch interactions, dial pad tones, keyboard sounds, charging sounds and screen lock and lock sounds. So just to turn on or turn off all of them we should use all of the switchers. Also we got here the volume section. Just to change the ringtone volume, media notifications and system volumes we should just hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots. I also got here the volume keys for media switcher. Just when we'll turn it on we will use the volume buttons to change the media. When you'll turn it off you will use the volume buttons to change the ringtone. Let's go back. If you wanna change the call vibration or notification vibration sections settings, so you should just switch here these options. In system vibration we got the same just settings like the in system sounds. So to use the vibration for touch interactions, dial pad, the keyboard, charging and gestures vibrations we should just use the switchers, and also we can change here the vibration intensity level. Also in sound quality and effects we can just change the equalizer settings, and in separate app sound section we can turn on or turn off this option to play the media sounds from just apps which you'll select on separate audio devices. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.